Hi everybody, it's Joni Young here. I just wanted to show you something really cool. I just went over a painting, an older painting with some black and turquoise and green, and I'm going to come in with a wet towel and work some of it off, and we're going to see what we're left with. So I'm going to start in the middle, just slowly going over in circles, and we can see the painting underneath. I think that's so cool. I'm going to take off just a little bit more. I'm going to add a little dab of white right here for the moon. And I think I'll take a filbert brush, some white, and maybe go over top of these trees with some snow and turn this into a moody winter landscape. I love using filbert brushes for painting trees and adding snow with. It's nice because they have the rounded end. This one's a little bit old and seen better days. It makes it a little bit extra fluffy. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna come up here and add another tree. I'll soften this moon up a little bit and just sweep and sweep around. And even take my finger in here and go around. Add a fresh coat of white on here to make this tree stand out a little bit more. I'm going to use a smaller filbert brush. This one's a number 8. Add a little bit there. I gently just pull down a little bit, maybe make it look like some icicles. And then I'm going to take a number 30 filbert brush, some black, white, a little bit of blue, sort of a grayish color. I'm going to add a little bit of frost. Need this to be a little bit more solid so that it doesn't look see-through. So I'm adding a little bit extra white. Okay, then I'll finish off with a few little branches using my liner brush. I'm going to use those same colors, add a little bit of water and white. And take my toothbrush, a little bit of white, and just spray some snow and stars. I'll dab the last little bit of white inside here for our little moon. Okay, hope you guys liked this little exercise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!